Scale your skills and profitability as a nail technician. Gain financial freedom by becoming the most sought-after nail technician in your area. Learn the proven techniques and skills to create trauma-free artificial nails for your clients and build a large client base that will come back to you for years and years. Are your clients experiencing side effects from other artificial nail products? I see photos like this all over social media every day of clients with trauma from heat spikes generated by other products. This reaction is from the heat penetrating into the nail plate and injuring the nail bed, and I can teach you how to never experience this again. Join me this year at the Nail Tech event of the Smokies trade show July 8th and 9th to level up your career and learn the easiest acrylic nails application methods that clients seek out. Allow me to teach you what the majority of the nail-wearing population would like when it comes to their nails. Hi, I'm Lori Halloway, known as the Meticulous Manicurist on YouTube, and in addition to pedicures, I also specialize in acrylic nails. I've felt the struggle to build a client base from the ground up, but it doesn't have to be so difficult. There are many variables you don't think about that play into whether a client will book with you or rebook with you. Over the last 29 years, I've identified those variables and taught nail technicians how to incorporate what works and to avoid what doesn't. I've helped thousands of nail technicians worldwide implement the right products, techniques, and strategies to scale their profitability. And this doesn't mean longer hours. I teach you how to reduce the time you spend on every nail service, all with outstanding quality and happy clients to increase your return on investment. I remember the first trade show as a vendor my company ever attended. I didn't know what to expect, and I was quickly approached by a girl on the left side of me. I thought, whoa, she needs to get by. I better move. I took a step back and looked her way, and she had her hand raised in the air, and I thought, what is going on right now? She smiled and said, "Girl, I have got to give you a big high five. You saved me 30 minutes off every nail service I provide, and I can't thank you enough. I'm making so much money right now, it's crazy." Of course, I was relieved, flattered, thrilled, and all of my anxiety was instantly gone because of this social proof of what I teach works. Nail techs love what they learn from my workshops and courses, and I believe you have a skill set waiting to be released inside of you. I have a different way of explaining how things are done in a way that is easy to understand and easy to implement into your daily services in the salon. This class is for you if you're struggling to build a client base, if your clients are struggling with side effects from other types of artificial nails, if you feel like giving up because what you're trying isn't working, if you're tired of being only able to fit in 4 or 5 clients a day, if you want to reduce your work week but increase your income and services, if you want your clients to love their nails and keep coming back to you forever, if you don't want to give up because you love your business, but your business isn't generating your ideal profit. And this year at the show, the Nail Tech event of the Smokies, I'll be launching my new Meticulous Manicurist acrylic line, complete with monomer, polymer, primer, nail resin, nail tips, refill bags of nail tips, nail forms, acrylic brushes, files, buffers, and more. You'll learn how easy it is to apply my acrylic products with FlexiFit technology and no lifting. I hope you can join me. I have limited seating capacity, so click below or go to meticulousmanicurist.com to get your ticket today, and I'll see you in Gatlinburg.